See, distinction between order and molecularity we are going to discuss now. Order and molecularity. Order means here rate equal to k into a to the power of x, b to the power of y. So here the sum of these powers x plus y equal to order. This order is derived from experimental method only, experiments. Then molecularity. Molecularity means in a reaction how many atoms are involving simultaneously. That is the number of molecules or number of atoms. That is known as molecularity. So this is derived by mechanism only. Okay. Then this first two steps clear. Order and how we are derived. Molecularity and how we are derived. What is the third step now? Derived from the rate equation. Derived from the rate equation. Rate equation. Of course, here is the theoretical. This is the mechanical. Relevant points. By mechanism, we are deriving here from rate equation. It is experimental. It is theoretical. So this mechanism point, it will come the next step. Next, what is the fourth point? It is depends on the temperature and pressure. Depends on temperature and pressure, but it is not depends. Mechanism में कोई temperature pressure का कोई role नहीं रहता. So it is independent. We can see independent on temperature and pressure, or you can say it doesn't depend on the temperature and pressure. Point कैसे भी लिख सकते. Next, what is the fifth point? Order of reaction, it may be fraction also. So it may be, generally we discuss in the units case, first order, second order, third order like this. It may be 1.5 order, 2.5 order also like this. क्योंकि ये तो फ्रैक्शन ऊपर वाला है ना, ये तो 1 0 भी हो सकता है, 1 0.5 है तो 1.5 2.5 like that also. But here molecular 1.5 molecule not involved. कभी see in reaction में क्या होता है generally the molecules are heating together, that is called collisions. So collisions takes place by maybe 2 molecules, maybe 3 molecules, maybe 4 molecules. 4 तो very rare case क्योंकि एक molecule को 4 sides heating is very difficult क्योंकि steric index is there. Maximum 3 होता है, कभी 2 होता है. Okay, so molecularity never be fraction first of all. So it doesn't. There is no fraction. No fraction value. Then at the same time, sixth point again relevant to this one only. It may be 0 also. It becomes 0. 0 order अभी units लिखा था. 0 order भी हो सकता है. लेकिन it never be 0. Never be 0. तो 0 molecule involved means the reaction ही नहीं है. है ना? So molecularity में, so definition clarity है तो सब points automatically you can write it. Molecularity means what? Generally in a reaction how many molecules are involving simultaneously. Is nothing but involving means क्या होता है? Heating together. Heating together maybe 2 molecule होता है, 3 molecule होता है, 4 5 तो भी नहीं होगा क्योंकि steric index ज्यादा है. तो 0 भी नहीं होगा. एक तो एक molecule होगा कोई reaction में. So 1 भी हो सकता है क्योंकि एक molecule तो split भी हो सकता है. Decomposition reaction में तो एक ही molecule रहता है, involving only 1. So it is order में 0 भी हो सकता है, but molecularity में it never be 0. What is the seventh point? हाँ, it is this order कभी भी suppose rate के लिए हम कल बात किया था. Suppose one pen is there. Yeah, in this pen, this cap is A company preparing per day 100 caps. This big cap per day 200 caps. Inside refill is there per day only 10 refills. Now per day how many pens we can make? 10. Only 10. So it depends on what? It depends on the slowest step. So that is called rate determining step. How many pens you are preparing is 10 are here. वो 10 किस पे depend है वो slowest. Okay. So this order also it depends on the slowest step. Okay. This rate and order it depends on slow step. Slow step. Suppose कभी multiple step reaction is there. Multiple step reaction. In that also we have to take only slow step reaction में कितना order है वही order reaction को बोलते हैं. ठीक है. So depends on the slowest. Here ऐसा slowest कुछ नहीं है. हर एक step के लिए molecularity रहता है. हर एक step के लिए molecularity रहता है. Maximum only one step reactions are there that is applicable to single step as well as that reaction. But कुछ reaction है mechanism generally हम लिखते हैं RNA chemistry में. First is attacking the electrophile. Second step में resonance. Third step में leaving the proton. three steps है. तो हर एक step में वो molecularity रहता है. So overall reaction का molecularity is not meaningless. That is overall reaction का molecularity क्या है कोई question पूछे तो there is no meaning for that question. क्योंकि हर एक question, हर एक line, हर एक step का molecularity रहता है. ठीक है? That is the thing. But order is वो slowest step में क्या है order? That is belongs to that step as well as overall reaction. But here molecularity is derived for each step. Then for overall reaction, in case of multiple reaction, the eighth one is that is multiple. What is the eighth step? Multiple step. In case of multiple step reaction में order we are taking the slowest step order we are taking, but in case of molecularity there is no such type of overall reaction molecularity. There is no such type of overall reaction molecularity. Okay, there is no overall reaction molecularity. Is it clear? Molecularity and order. So this order, some here it may be fraction भी हो सकता है, zero भी हो सकता है. It depends on the temperature and pressure. Order we are talking. Okay? It is वो कहाँ से आ गया order मतलब rate equation से होता है. वो experimental data है. ये theoretically we cannot say. Yesterday I showed you that law of mass action से 3 order आ रहा है, experimentally second order हो रहा है. वो ना NO2 plus fluorine वाला. ठीक है? Then molecularity means directly how many molecules are involving simultaneously. That is the molecularity. Have you written these points? वो points का opposite में ये भी